Students, welcome back to our classes. Today, by continuing our same heading, that is adjustment of capitals, we are taking the question number 43, in which Ajay, Vijay and Sanjay are partners in 5:4:3. Vijay retires from the firm, means Vijay is going out. After making all the adjustment relating to revaluation, goodwill and accumulated profits, it means after making all the adjustments and after transferring all things to their capital accounts, the capital account of Ajay showed a credit balance of 2 lakh and that of Sanjay rupees 1 lakh. इसका मतलब क्लोजिंग कैपिटल अजय और संजय की जो बची है वो 2 लाख और 1 लाख रुपए है. It was decided to adjust the capital of Ajay and Sanjay in their profit sharing ratio. Now, this capital should be divided in the new profit sharing ratio. So you are required to calculate the new capital of the partners and record necessary entry for surplus or deficit. Okay students, let's start our calculation now. So students, we need to prepare the statement showing adjustment of capital. Okay, we are preparing the statement. So as per statement, I am opening two columns. This one is our particular, this one is for Ajay and this one is Sanjay. Okay, so I am writing their closing capital. Closing capital, that should be written as after adjustments, after all adjustments. So his capital is becoming 2 lakh and Sanjay has a capital of 1 lakh. Okay, now this capital of both of them should be divided in the new profit sharing ratio. So student, firm's capital is 3 lakh, which should be divided in their old profit sharing ratio was 5:4:3. Now Vijay is going out and we don't have any other description in the question that Ajay and Sanjay will share their profit in this ratio. So in this kind of question, the remaining ratio of Ajay and Sanjay will be their new profit sharing ratio. It means that will become 5:3. Okay, so it will be divided in 5:3. So 3 lakh multiplied by 5/8 and 3 lakh multiplied by 3/8. So when cut it with the 8, that will become 37,500 multiplied by 5. So that will become 1,87,500. And here again 37500 multiplied by 3, 1,12,500. So now Ajay and Sanjay should have their capital as 1,87,500 and 1,12,500. Okay, so capital as per new profit sharing ratio, that is 1,87,500 and it will become 1,12,500. So the deficit or the surplus, here the surplus is 12,500 and here the deficit is again 12,500. Why we have written surplus here? Because Ajay has the capital of 2 lakh and his capital should be 1,87,500. It means there is an excess of his capital in the firm, that is 12,500, and Sanjay has the capital of 1 lakh and his capital should be 1,12,500. So the deficit is 12,500. Okay, so now what should be the entry we make? Ajay will withdraw the amount because Ajay is having surplus, and he will bring the amount because he is having deficit. So let's make the entry for this. Ajay's capital account debit to bank. Ajay will withdraw, so the amount will be written as 12,500. Okay, and here next entry will be bank account debit to Sanjay's capital account, that is again 12,500. Okay, so Ajay will withdraw the capital and Sanjay will introduce more the capital. Both are amounting rupees 12,500. Okay, so this was the question number 43. Students, now we are taking question number 44. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. Okay, on April 1st, 2018, X retires from the firm. Y and Z agree that capital of new firm X is students. X is retiring from the business. Now our remaining partners are Y and Z. Okay, so it is agreed that new capital of the firm shall be fixed at rupees 2,10,000. तो हमने फिक्स कर दिया है कि हमारी नई फर्म की जो कैपिटल होगी दैट मस्ट बी 2,10,000 और किस में होगी, इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ओके, the capital of Y and Z after all the adjustment on the date of retirement showed balance of rupees 1,45,000 and 63,000 respectively. इसका मतलब इनके पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में सारे के सारे एडजस्टमेंट करने के बाद में Y की कैपिटल आ रही है 1,45,000 एंड Z की कैपिटल आ रही है 63,000. ओके, so again we need to calculate that what actual amount to be brought in or to be paid to the partners. It means कौन पार्टनर विड्रॉ करेगा फर्म से और कौन पार्टनर कैश और इंट्रोड्यूस करेगा, इसकी कैलकुलेशन हमें करनी है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू क्वेश्चंस, दैट here we had divided the 3 lakh into new profit sharing ratio, but in this question the question is providing us the new capital of firm. Okay, if the question is not providing us, we can calculate the new capital of firm by adding these two amounts. Okay, for example, if this 2,10,000 not given to us, our firm's capital will be 1,45,000 plus 63,000, that is 2,08,000. Okay, but the question is providing us the new capital, so we will divide this new capital in 2:1 between Y and Z. Okay, so let's start the solution now. So students, this is the statement which is showing us the adjustment of capital Y and Z, and they are having their ratio in 2:1. Okay, now I am writing the closing capital of both the partners, that must be after adjustment. Okay, so the question is providing us the closing capital which is after all the adjustments 1,45,000 and 63,000. Now new capital of firm is rupees 2,10,000, that should be divided in 2:1. So it will become 2,10,000 into 2/3, that is 7. 7 2s are 14, 1,40,000. Okay, and here 2,10,000 multiplied by 1/3, that will become 70,000. Okay, so new capital of Y is 1,40,000 and Z is rupees 70,000. So I am writing here capital as per new profit sharing ratio, that is 1,40,000 and here 70,000. So students, this is showing us the surplus of rupees 5,000 and here we can see the deficit of amounting 7,000. So it will become so simple that Y will withdraw the cash of rupees 5,000 and Z will introduce more rupees 7,000. So now come to the entries. We will make the entries of them. So students, before making entries, first thing we should clear that if the closing capital is more, then it will leave a surplus. And if the new profit sharing, if the capital according to new profit sharing ratio is more, then it will show the deficit. And if the surplus is there, then that particular partner will withdraw the amount because it's a surplus. And if there is deficit for that particular partner, then he will introduce more cash. It means he will bring. Okay, so let's make the entries now. So the entries will be Y's capital account debit rupees 5,000 to bank account 5,000, and next entry will be bank account debit to Z's capital account. The amount is rupees 7,000. Okay, so these entry we will made after showing the adjustment of our capital. So students, this was our today's class, and in the next class we will start that how the settlement of loan has been made for the retiring partner. Okay, it means we are going to learn about the settlement of loan. Thank you.